Well-known mobile analyst Ming-Chi Kuo again pleased Apple fans with a new batch of rumors about Apple products. According to him, the company is preparing a potential iPhone SE2 bestseller, which will receive the design of the iPhone 8 model and the stuffing of the new iPhone 11. The announcement of the news supposedly should take place in March 2020, 6 months before the main autumn press event, at which Apple traditionally presents the mainstream smartphone's rulers. So, according to Ming-Chi Kuo, a new budget smartphone with a name still unknown will become the successor to a fairly successful iPhone SE model. The novelty will receive a fresh 6-core 64-bit 7nm hardware platform Apple A13 Bionic, which is used in the newest smartphones iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro and iPhone 11 Pro Max. The amount of RAM should be 3GB, LPDDR4X, and not 4GB, like the new iPhone 11/Pro/Max. The new iPhone SE2 will be made in the same design and form factor as the iPhone 8, that is, it will be a 4.7-inch smartphone with IPS rather than an OLED matrix by today's standards. For comparison, the iPhone 11 uses 6.1-inch display. Naturally, it is expected that the iPhone SE2 will be cheaper than the iPhone 11, the closest smartphone in the lineup. At the time of the announcement in 2016, the iPhone SE started with a price tag of $399, and the novelty can keep this price level. To further reduce the cost of this model, Apple can use simpler cameras, as well as save the physical home button and not use a bang with Face ID. Ming-Chi Kuo predicts that the combination of a compact format, fast filling and low cost will lead to a high popularity of the model, especially in emerging markets. As a result, Apple can release about 30 to 40 million iPhone SE2 units by the end of 2020 to meet demand. Recall that according to the same Ming-Chi Kuo, the 2020 iPhone smartphones will look similar to the iPhone 4.